Hey, this is Casey, and I am One Mellow Marigold, and I got a cornstarch carrot update. Hey friends, today we are going to pull some of our very first cornstarch carrots. For those of you who missed the cornstarch video, go ahead and hit that link above and enjoy. This is my first time using this particular method with carrots and radishes, and it worked amazing for the radishes. I am expecting nothing less from my carrots as well. Before we get started pulling, one question you might have is, how do you know when they're ready? Carrots can be really quite deceiving. Carrots will often grow really long green leaves pretty early on, and it might look like, oh, it's a big full-grown carrot, right? And then you might kind of dig in and you might pull it out and find out that it just hasn't grown up and matured in the soil yet. So don't really go by how long the leaves are. What you're going to do is you're going to look at your seed packet that your carrot seeds came in, and you're going to look at your days to harvest. And then you're going to bust out your calendar, probably on your phone, and you are going to count out that many days from the time that you first saw those carrots germinating and showing leaves in the dirt. So that's how you know roughly when your carrots are going to be ready. From there, you got to stick a finger in the dirt. You got to feel for the top of your carrot. And as long as you can feel at least an inch, it's a pretty good time to pull one out and see how they're doing. Personally, I rinse it off. I take a bite, I make sure it tastes sweet and delicious, and then I pick more. Once that window of your carrot harvest is open, you don't have to pick everything right away. You obviously want to pay attention to the weather, and if things start getting really hot, your carrots might start to bolt after a while. But for the most part, if you're picking them all within a few week period, you can pick a few now, you can pick a few later, you can pick a few in a couple of weeks, and that's totally okay. What we are hoping for, spoiler alert, it's great, is that we would get lots more straight, beautiful carrots, nothing too twisted, that we didn't have to thin out a lot. And that's exactly what we got. Let's go look. I will admit I have already picked a few because of course I just couldn't wait, and I think they're doing great. So I'm going to pick a few of our cornstarch carrots. Let's see what they look like. Whoop! Little bitty buddy. Little bitty, just a little bitty nubbin. Woo! Beauty. Ooh, this feels substantial. Oh, she gorgeous. Look at it. You just can't. That's a gorgeous carrot. That's a cornstarch carrot, folks. Oliver heard carrots and he came running. Beautiful. Carrot after carrot. Beautiful. Straight. Pull a couple more now. I'm too excited. Oh my, oops. Whoops. Didn't wiggle her enough. Didn't wiggle her enough. Oh my gosh. I can't, guys. I just... Cornstarch carrots, kids. Hilda is a crabby mother today, guys, let me tell you. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Look at this carrot! This is ridiculous! Honestly, folks, I think this is about the most gorgeous harvest of carrots that I have had in a couple of years. Last year, I hardly got many at all. I tried a different variety called Kaleidoscope, and they just bolted really easily and didn't work well in my climate. But these are Speedo carrots from Territorial Seed Company, and they are sweet, crunchy, delight. I'm really just super pleased and can't wait to see what the rest of the harvest looks like. I don't know about you, but I am going to be trying the cornstarch method from here on out. I'm super happy with the results. My carrots look beautiful this year. I'm just really, really happy, and so are my doggos because they're going to get a lot of the snacks. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and give me a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button with the little ding-a-ling bell. And that's it. I will see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.